Hey people, so we have this very cute author Pranitha Vikram with us today, and she's just 23 and a physiotherapist, as in a medical professional, and she's written 2 books at 23. Her first book was written at 18. So Pranitha, if you could tell us something about your first book. What?
So this is a story of 2 persons.
Okay.
Like if one person can love another person without any conditions or not. Nowadays love has just become something which is like a business or something, but people just expect something from others and all. So if a person can love another person without any conditions or without expecting anything or not, if you read this novel you'll get to know.
Awesome. And then so this book was written in a span of 1 week, which is inspiring for so many of us, because we put off the idea of writing a book. It's just always for the future. So this was written when you were 18, and your second book was written at what age?
I don't remember exactly, but I wrote this after 1 year, I guess. Maybe 19 or 20.
Correct. And that took you how long to write?
5 days.
5 days. Awesome. And what is the process like? You get an idea and immediately begin writing in a notebook, or feed it?
Actually, I believe that I'm an overthinker basically. So I believe that if you don't have any talent, make what you have as a talent. So I overthink a lot. Overthinkers obviously get fake scenarios.
Yes.
So I used those fake scenarios and made it into a novel.
Okay, awesome. So, and when you sit down to write, you have a pen and notebook ready, or you directly feed it into your laptop?
Actually, the first one I typed it in my mobile phone, and sometimes I write it, and sometimes I directly type it.
Awesome. And so each book is 100 pages long. Correct. And for $250, it's the whole, sorry, for $250 you get 1 book, or $299, 300. And is it available on Amazon?
Yeah, it is available on Amazon and Flipkart also.
Okay. So in fact, since we are here at Booktail, we get this as an offer for $500. You get both books and small little. Awesome. So people, if you all want to meet this cute author, Booktail, Khairatabad is the place to visit. She'll be here for the next 3 days, along with the book fair, which is a 3-day thing, and a rainy reunion, and the first one is Unconditional Love. So this looks interesting. I can't wait to get down to reading it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.